Five-Field Road is nestled perfectly between the beloved river towns of Frenchtown and Milford. This Holland Township property offers the best of both worlds. Just a quick drive to Frenchtown's artistic vibe. Discover this town's unique boutiques, art galleries, and lively weekend markets. Experience the charming, historic architecture of Frenchtown, New Jersey. Explore Milford's scenic trails along the Delaware River and enjoy its excellent kayaking and fishing opportunities. Enjoy the small town feel with great restaurants at Milford, New Jersey. As a Holland Township resident, you can enjoy the Reaville Ridge Community Center, which includes recreational activities as well as a community pool. Embrace the Delaware River lifestyle. This property provides the perfect base for enjoying all the recreational activities the Delaware River region has to offer. It is also conveniently close to the quaint towns of Finesville and Reavillesville, Pennsylvania.